Hello there, Kira here. I just wanted to pop online and chat a little bit about a new workshop I have coming up this year. It's called Mindfulness and Movement, and it starts January 16th and runs for 8 weeks. And I'm really excited to share this material. It's techniques and approaches that I've been developing in my work for the last 20 years. The sort of a more mindful approach to movement is a big way in which I approach creating a performance. It's the way I source material for putting on shows. And it's also a personal practice that I use in my life to connect with myself more deeply and to create more presence, a sense of being in the present in my life. Folks have been asking me a little bit more about what we'll be doing in the workshop, and I can go into a little more detail. All of the work, I think, starts with developing a greater sensitivity or ability to notice the sensations in our body. So noticing our breath, noticing where we have tension, where we are relaxed, noticing what feels good, what doesn't feel good, and doing all of this while we are moving and dancing and exploring things. So I lead us through a number of different exercises and qualities of movement. We get to see where our comfort zone is and where there are things that are less familiar to us, or sort of things that are kind of on our edge, and we expand what is in our comfort zone and get more comfortable with expressing ourselves in different ways. I cover a little bit about how emotions move through the body and sort of the physiology of that. We'll talk a bit about our nervous system and how we can calm ourselves, and also how we can dive deeper into different issues. For me, it's really important. Play is a really important part of this. So getting playful with ourselves, getting playful with our emotions, playful with our bodies, that's where the creativity lies. And the more we can practice being creative in the class, I think the more access we have to being creative in other aspects of our lives. So that's a big part of the work for me, is to be able to practice in the class how we want to embody ourselves and embody our natures in other aspects of our lives. So that's a few minutes of what we'll be doing. If you are interested and have more questions, please send me a message, or you can contact me to register. And yes, just really excited to share this information with everybody and to play together. Thanks for listening.